Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Take a look at this YouTube channel. They just post such short videos that are very easy to create and gather millions of views. So today, I am going to teach you how to create such short videos very quickly using CapCut and other AI tools. I will be using CapCut on PC, but you can follow the same steps on CapCut Mobile. Now, the first requirement for such videos is some eye-catching images. To generate these images, you can use multiple AI image generation tools. For this video's purpose, I will quickly generate an image of a wolf using Leonardo AI. In case you're not familiar with these tools, I've created detailed demonstration videos for each of them. You can find the links in the description. Now that I have my photo ready, we will need some intriguing quotes. To achieve this, we will use ChatGPT. Please enter the following prompt and hit enter. After taking a look at all these quotes by ChatGPT, I have picked this one, but you can choose the one you like. Now, we will need the audio for the quote. For this, we will be visiting 11 labs. Create a free account and you will see this page. Now, select a voice that says narration, play with the voices, and choose the one you like the most. I will go for Antoni. Leave the other settings as they are. Now paste your quote here. Then hit generate and wait for it to generate the audio, then download the generated audio. If you wish to use your own voice, check out this video I've made. It demonstrates how to record professional quality voiceovers with just your phone, without the need for any expensive equipment. Before we move on to the next part, please let me know in the comments section which kinds of videos you would like to see on our channel. Also, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button, as it motivates me to create more content like this. Now let's head over to CapCut. Here, import your audio and the photo. I've also provided some extra elements that we will require on our Telegram channel, so be sure you download those elements from our Telegram channel. Now, drag the image onto the timeline. Then, click on the ratio option and select a 9:16 ratio. Next, switch to the Adjustment tab and reduce the saturation to the minimum. This will make your image black and white. It's optional, but it tends to look quite good. Now, drag the black gradient image onto the timeline just like this. Then, drag and drop our generated audio file here. Increase the volume to the maximum. Next, drag and drop this audio file just below our main audio and decrease its volume to -14. Finally, trim the excessive audio as needed. Now, drag the white line and the green line onto the timeline. Ensure the pointer is at the very start of the video. Move the green line accordingly on the screen and then hit the keyframe option. Next, take the pointer to the very end of the video and move the green line accordingly again. This will create a progress bar for the video, which will engage and hook the users. Now, we need captions for the video. To do that, click on the text option here and select Auto Captions, then hit Create. You can choose the font you like and edit the text according to your preferences. Next, switch to the Animation tab and go to the Captions section. Here, I will choose this one, but you can select how you want the text to appear. Now, the last thing we will do is add some effects to the video. To do that, choose the Effects option here. I will select this effect, but you can try all of them and choose the best one that suits your video. Drag it onto the timeline. And there we have our video ready. You can export it by clicking here, then choose the location and hit Export. Your video is now ready to be shared with your audience. Here's a quick intro about the next video I'm coming up with. I will teach you how to create the Guess the Movie with Emoji game on Canva. Since people love to play such games online, the number of views for these game videos is awesome. Additionally, I will provide the complete template for the game so you don't need any extra efforts. So, if you don't want to miss this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.